Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports at our new location, 1150 Concord Ave. And today we have our 2018 Grom 125 with ABS brakes. Red in color, only 686 miles on this beautiful condition Grom. Metallic red finish. Come by. Make your little motorcycle dreams come true. This awesome Grom. Save hundreds over the price of new. Only 686 miles, just $31.49. We have financing. We have extended service contracts. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, where at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful, clean, used bikes in stock.
Flame out.
It's too powerful for you. Woo! Thank you for Contra Costa Powersports.